We'll guide you through how to create a split screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and head straight to the Edit page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll need to have at least 2 video clips in your timeline that you want to display side by side. Once your clips are in place, click on the first clip in the timeline to select it. Then go over to the Inspector panel on the top right of the screen. If you don't see the inspector, make sure it's enabled by clicking on the Inspector button. Now, in the inspector, look for the transform controls. You'll notice options to adjust position, zoom, and more. Focus on the position settings. To create a split screen, you need to move your first clip to the left or right. Adjust the X position by sliding the control or entering a value until the clip is positioned as you like. For example, setting the X position to -0.5 will move the clip to the left. Next, select the second clip in the timeline. Go back to the inspector and adjust the X position of this clip as well, but in the opposite direction. So if you moved the first clip to the left, you'll want to move the second clip to the right, perhaps setting the X position to 0.5. Now, both clips should be side by side, creating that classic split screen effect. If you need to fine-tune the alignment or add more clips, repeat the process adjusting the X position as necessary. You can also use the zoom controls to adjust the size of your clips, ensuring they fit perfectly on the screen. And there you have it, a split screen setup in DaVinci Resolve. Play back your timeline to ensure everything looks good and make any necessary adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.